Welcome again to another section of our videos. Now we've learned how to install WordPress on our server. Now we're going to learn how to build blog. But in this scenario, we're going to learn how to build blog using a demo. So we'll get an existing site that has been made already, import it into our WordPress site, then we'll learn how to edit it. Then later on, we'll learn also how to try it from scratch too. So let's get right into it. Now, this is the front end. Again, remember, if you want to log in, you have to do /wp-admin. Need to take you to the admin session. It didn't ask me for the username and password because I'm already logged in. So I have this. We have what we call theme and plugin. The theme is one that determines how your website will appear. So if I come here, visit websites. The theme you install determines how your website will appear. And the plugin is the functionality that the website will have. See it as like a car. The car has the body, which is the appearance, the looks, the beautiful colors and everything that is on it. That's like the theme, like the appearance, the template of it. Why the ability is different function of the car is like a plugin. So let's say I want my car to have air conditioner now. I will add that feature to the car. That's a plugin. Or I want my car to be self-driving. I will add that functionality to it. That's another plugin. That's how they work. So now let's get a better theme, which will be a free theme, so we can improve the appearance of our site. So I'll go to appearance. I click on themes. Okay, we have theme here. It is using 2025 theme because it comes with their own default theme. So now we are going to install our own theme. Go to add theme. So you'll see different themes here, different themes. But I have a theme I want us to use in mind, so I'll just type zone. So it's ZON. It's not bringing what I want out. I'll type it again, zone. Okay, I think I've seen it. Then it disappeared again. Let's type Z0. So okay, this is it. Click on install. So we have to install it on our site. It has successfully installed. Now let's activate it. So if you don't activate it, it doesn't start working. It's just installed. So activate it makes it the main theme that the website will be using. So let's activate it. Now we have this activated. So it's showing me that the active theme is zone. So if I go back to this tab where I'm showing the front end is the results of our work, and I refresh this. Now we have this. See that the appearance of our website has changed. Nothing much yet on it, but the looks, the color has changed compared to what we have before. That's what the theme does. It determines the appearance, the looks of the site. Good. Now let's get our demo. Remember, we want to learn how to make a blog by first getting the demo and editing it, changing some things to what we need. So this here. To do that now, I'll go back to my dashboard. Most times when you install a theme, especially good themes, it recommends a plugin that works with it. So if you look up here under your appearances, it tell you that download demo import plugin zone. So it's telling us that plugin works with this theme, and this is the plugin that will help us get the demo that we need. So I'll click on download demo import plugin. Okay, it's brought me to this site, directed me to this site. Then we have this here, so I'll click on free download so we can download it. So downloading already. Let's see, is it done? Yes, done downloading. Don't mind that my own is showing 2. I have the file already before, so downloading it just added that number to it. It's still the same thing. So what I'll do is we'll go again to our downloads, and should have it here. You know, when we wanted to work with WordPress, we unzip it and we uploaded it. But for plugin or theme, if you download a theme, because you can even get a theme from different sources, and a plugin, you upload them as a zip file, so you don't need to extract them. So I'll come back to my browser here, go back to my dashboard. I'll now look for plugin on the left side here. Is where your tools are. So plugin, different options. Okay, this plugin, click on plugin. Then click on add plugin. Then click on upload plugin, because now we are not searching for, we've downloaded it. Then click on upload plugin. Then click on choose file here. My downloads, we have this theme Fraser demo, and click on open. Then install. So it's installing. Then it is done installing. Now let's activate it. As usual, you must install and activate for themes and plugins. Okay, now it's active on our site. Now if you see this page now, show me theme Fraser demo import. Deactivate means it is active already and it's activated already. So if I come to my appearance now, this will come up, import demo data. Because of that plugin, it has added a new function for me to be able to get demo data for this particular theme. Now when I went to appearance, I'm seeing import demo data. So I'll click on import demo data. I'll scroll down to show me different samples, and then I'll select which one I want to import. So let it load. Okay, now see, we have this. I will go with the let's go with this one. This one is not free, so let's go with this one. I'll click on preview demo. It will show me how the website will look like when we import the demo. So we have this. Now let's import it on our site. Come back here and click on import demo. So to take a while, continue and import. So let's import and see how our website look like. Guys, we are done importing our demo. Now let's check it. So I can click on visit site, or I'll just go to this place and refresh. Let's see what we've done. Wow, see this. Imagine giving this to your clients as a sample before you start swapping the words, the images, the posts, and so on. Can you see this? Very, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. It's just the beginning of what we can achieve in this quote. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the group or under the video in the comments. Also, please don't forget to subscribe. It really goes a long way for us. Please subscribe and put on your notification button so that you can be updated on any recent tutorial on tech and upskilling digitally. Thank you very much.